Join your hands together. Thumb touching your heart. Close your eyes. Am I audible? Please show thumbs up.
No, actually, you're not so audible.
Not audible, ma'am.
Not audible?
Actually, you're not audible clearly.
Okay. Now, am I okay now?
Yeah.
Now it's
Okay.
Join your hands. Thumb touching your heart. Close your eyes. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhanatu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. Palming. Place them on your eyes.
See, you're audible still.
Still not audible?
Now you're audible, but while you're doing it.
Okay. Just
Your
let me-
voice is not clear. Can't listen anything.
You can use headphone.
I'm already using headphones. I don't know what problem, but
It's really slow, actually.
Speak a bit loudly. I think then it will be audible.
okay. Is it fine now? Is it fine now?
Now,
Now it's fine. When you are going on the mat, speak a bit loudly, I think.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do that. Just let me know in case I'm not audible. Okay.
Fine.
So let's begin. Stand up, please. Stand up on your mats. Sukshma Vayam. Griva Sanchalana. Place your hands on your waist. 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Neck rotation. Self-counting. Once you have done this, place your fingers on your shoulder, Skanda Chakra, and rotate your shoulders 5 times in each direction. Self-counting, please. Form of fist, thumbs inside. Form of fist, wrist rotation, Mani Bandha Chakra. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Once you have done this, shoulder length distance in your feet, place your hands on your waist and hip rotation 10 times in each direction. Self-counting, please. Join your feet together again. Now you'll be placing your palms on your thighs and not on your knees. You should never keep your hands. You should never put pressure on your knees. Place them on your thighs and rotate your knees 10 times in each direction. Ankle rotation, right leg up, rotate your ankles. In case you cannot stand like this, you can take the support of your furniture or the wall. Rotate your ankles 5 times in each direction. Change your leg once you have done this. Done? Just show me a concept. Okay, let's begin with Surya Namaskars. We'll be doing 2 cycles. Each cycle has 2 Surya Namaskars. That is, each cycle has 2 rounds. So we'll be doing 4 rounds. एक आसन के नाम के साथ करेंगे और दूसरा मंत्रों के साथ करेंगे. Okay, just let me know in case I am not audible or in case I am not visible. Okay, am I visible? Am I visible completely? Okay, let's begin. Come on the top of your mat. 1, Namaskarasana. 2, Uttanasana. 3, Padahastasana. 4, Ashvasanchalana. 5, Parvatasana. 6, Ashtang Namaskar. 7, Bhujangasana. 8, Parvatasana. 9, Ashvasanchalana. 10, Padahastasana. 11, Hastuttanasana. 12, Namaskarasana. Second one, Namaskarasana, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Ashvasanchalana, Parvatasana, Ashtang Namaskar, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, Ashvasanchalana, Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Namaskarasana. Now we'll be doing with the mantras, 12 steps. Let's begin. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Om Pujne Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Manishe Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayana Namaha. Last one. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Om Pushne Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marishe Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayana Namaha. Don't open your eyes. Stay in the same position. Balance both your sides. Normalize your breathing. 5 times deep inhaling and exhaling.
You are not audible at all.
Not audible now? Just give me 1 second, okay? Just give me 1 second. I just. Oh. Am I audible now? Done? Okay. Come in the center of your mat. Let's begin with the standing asanas. Interlock your fingers. Interlock your fingers, please. Place them on your head. Come on your tiptoes. Extend your hands. Stretch into the Tadasana. Hold here for 10 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Second set. Again, interlock your fingers. Stretch. Hand should be touching your ears. Raise your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Moving on to Vrikshasana. Raise your right leg. This is the easy version. If you cannot raise your leg, simply just keep it. Second easy version is you can place your feet on the inner side of your left thigh. This is the second easy version. If you can do this, if you can maintain your balance, hold your leg and bring it near your thigh. Make sure the heel is touching your pelvic region. Once you're in this position, raising your hands from the side into the Vrikshasana. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Change your leg. Left leg up. Keep a steady gaze. Raise your hands up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Second set. Now the position of your leg will not change. It will be like we have done now. The position of your hand will change. If your right leg is up, your left hand goes up, right hand on your side, and look at your right hand and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your hands. Release your leg. Change your leg. Right hand goes up, left hand on the side, and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your hands. Relax. Loosen your legs a little bit. 10 seconds jog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Moving on to the Veerbhadrasana series. Now, the right foot should be facing towards the right, left foot facing forward into the Veerbhadrasana 1. Torso facing towards the right. Now bend your right knee into a right angle. Raise your hands from the side. Look up. Push your chest out. Up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your hands. Straighten your leg. Moving on to the left side. Move to the left. Bend your knee. Make sure it is in the right angle. Don't lean forward and don't lean backward. It should form a right angle. Torso facing forward. Raise your hands from the side and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your hands first. Straighten your leg. Moving forward into the Veerbhadrasana 2. The position of your legs won't change. Right foot facing towards the right, left foot facing forward. Now, as you bend your knee, your torso is also facing forward. Just raise your hands. Look at your right hand with an attitude and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your hands. Straighten your knee. Look forward. Move towards your left. Again, take your positions. Bend your knee. Hands go up and go. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Release. Again, facing towards the right. Go into the warrior 2. Your left hand on your left thigh. Place your left hand on your left thigh. Right hand goes up into the reverse warrior. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your hand. Change your side. Moving on to the left side. Bend your knee. Left hand goes up. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Loosen your legs. 10 seconds jogging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now we'll be holding into the chair pose, that is Utkatasana, for 20 seconds. First set. See, while holding in Utkatasana, your feet should be joined together, your knees should be touching each other, and you have to sit like you're sitting on a chair. Just make sure that your knees are not going beyond your toes. The knees and toes should be in the straight line. If your knees are going beyond your toes, your posture is wrong. Take your positions and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Come up. Now in the second set, you will twist. Now sit in the chair pose and you have to sit. That is, you have to lock your left elbow on your right side like this and look back. Take your positions. Chair pose, twist and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come up. Change your side towards your left. Sit in the chair pose and twist on your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax, come up, loosen your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Distance between your feet. Now, right leg, right foot facing towards the right, hands up from the side, torso facing forward. Now touch your right hand on your left right feet. Knees straight and tight. Don't bend your knees and look up. जो हाथ ऊपर जा रहा है उसकी तरफ देखिए. Knees straight and tight. Don't bend your knees like this or like this. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Hands up. Change your side towards the left. And move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Come up. Don't change your position. पैरों का position change नहीं करेंगे. Into the triangle twist. Hands up. Now touch your left hand on your right feet. Touch your left hand on your right feet and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up. Change your side towards the left side. Right hand goes down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Come up. 10 seconds break. Normalize your breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Garudasana karenge. Eagle pose. Lift your right leg up. Now this is the easy version. You can lift your leg up. Simply place it over your left leg. Don't lift it. Just place it and sit like you're sitting on a chair. If you can do this, lift your leg and sit like you're sitting on a chair. अगर आपका right पैर ऊपर है, right hand up, forward, left hand crisscross and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your hands. Come up. Change your side. Left feet ऊपर, left पैर ऊपर, left hand आगे. Twist and sit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Release. Mat पे आगे आ जाइए. 5 times backward and forward bend. Inhale, backward bend. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, backward bend. Exhale, forward bend. Third one. Inhale, backward bend. Exhale, forward bend. Fourth one. Inhale, backward bend. Exhale, forward bend. Fifth one. Inhale, backward bend and hold it like this, or else you can support your waist with your hands and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now hold your breath and come up and into the forward bend. Padahastasana. Now as you exhale, you have to bend, you have to pull your stomach in and try to touch your feet. Try to touch your forehead on your knees and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't change your position. आपके हाथ नीचे है on your mat. अब knees को fold करिए. Just fold your knees a little bit and jump into the Chaturanga Dandasana. Hold here for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Rest on your mat in Makrasana for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now with the strength of your shoulders, come up into the Bhujangasana, Cobra pose and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax in Makrasana for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, come into the Bhujangasana, Cobra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now hold your right ankle with your right hand and left ankle with your left hand and come into the Dhanurasana, bow pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second set. Again into the Dhanurasana. Come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Rest for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now come up into the Kumbhakasana, that is plank pose. Hands directly under your shoulders. Come into the plank pose. Let's hold you for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Rest into the Shashankasana, child pose for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come up into the down dog. Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay, come into the down dog. Hold here for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now raise your right leg up and bring it outside your right hand. Bring it outside your right hand and come on your elbows and hold here for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, come into the down dog. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Raise your left leg up. Place it outside your left hand. Come on your elbows and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come into the down dog. Again, rest here for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now come into the up dog. Your thighs and your stomach are not touching the mat. Come into the up dog. नीचे नहीं जाएंगे ऐसे. Thighs and stomach not touching the mat. Come in the up dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax in Shashankasana for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Feet के बल लेट जाइए. Feet के बल लेट जाइए. Now with the strength of your shoulders, come up into the Naukasana, boat pose. Like this. Easy version, you can hold your feet or else hold it like this. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Second set. Again, come into the boat pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now place your hands next to your ears. Bring your feet next to your buttocks. Now push yourself up with the strength of your arms. You can also take the support of your head. If you cannot lift yourself up, you can just place your head first and then raise yourself. Or else you can directly raise yourself up into the Chakrasana, wheel pose. Take your positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Rest in Shavasana for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, come into the Chakrasana, second set, holding for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Rest for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the easy version is you just have to raise your feet up like this in 90 degrees, or else you can support your waist with your hands and come into the Sarvangasana, that is the shoulder stand. Take your positions, come up, tighten your thigh muscles, tighten your calf muscles, and toes pointing up to the roof. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly, if you can, fold your knees and go back into Halasana. Try to touch your feet over your head. Lock your fingers if you can and hold into the Halasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Rest in Shavasana for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax. Come up. Take the support of your side and then come up. Sit on your knees. Knees पे आ जाइए. Form fists. Thumb inside. Form a fist. Place it next to your navel center. The navel is your center. Put some pressure here. As you exhale, bend down, look forward, hold your breath, hold here for 10 seconds into the Mandukasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look up and release. Come up. Again, second set, form a fist, place it next to your navel center. Exhale and bend. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Come up. Sit in any meditative posture. वज्रासना में बैठ सकते हैं, सुखासना में बैठ सकते हैं. अगर आपको पद्मासन लगाना आता है तो पद्मासन में बैठ जाइए. कपालभाति करेंगे 30 strokes. Normal inhalation and forceful exhalation. Self counting. Chin mudra बना लीजिए. Place it on your knees. Close your eyes. कपालभाति करिए 30 strokes. Self counting. Just show me a thumbs up once you have done this. Done? Okay. सूर्य वेदी प्राणायाम करेंगे. नासिका मुद्रा फॉर्म कर लीजिए. Fold your pointer finger and your middle finger. Just roll it. The thumb will be on your right nostril and your ring finger will be on your left nostril. Now what you have to do is keep your left nostril closed. Inhalation and exhalation both will happen with your right nostril, which is Surya Vedi Pranayama. Inhalation, exhaling, inhaling and exhaling both with your right nostril. 10 strokes please. 10 rounds kariye. Self counting. Close your eyes. Show me a thumbs up after you completed 10 rounds. Done. Chandra Vedi pranayama करेंगे. Same Nasika mudra. Don't change the position of your fingers. Now your right nostril will be closed all the time. Inhalation and exhalation both will take place with your left nostril. That is Chandra Vedi pranayama. इसके भी 10 rounds करिए. Close your eyes. Self counting. Please do 10 rounds. Done. आपका हो जाए तो just raise your hands from the side. मुट्ठी बंद कर लीजिए. Thumbs up like this. Keep your hands on the side. सिर्फ देख लीजिए from the corner of your eye that you should be able to see your thumb. From the right corner, right thumb visible होना चाहिए. Left corner से left thumb visible होना चाहिए. आपको अपना neck नहीं rotate करना है. Just your eyes. ठीक है, देख लीजिए. Adjust your hands. आपको देखना है दोनों आपको फिंगर्स दिखने चाहिए, राइट एंड लेफ्ट. अब आप क्या करेंगे? When you exhale, you will look at your right thumb. Again, inhaling, you will look at the center of your eyebrow like this. And again, while you exhale, you will look at your left thumb. 5 rounds करेंगे. Look at your right thumb. Exhale and look at your right thumb. Inhale, look in the center of your eyebrow. Exhale, look at your left thumb. Again, inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. 5 times करिए. Done. This helps in getting rid of the squinting habit, like doing this, looking at the screen all the time. Okay, once you have done this, we will be doing Sheetli. Just roll your tongue like this. अगर आप टंग को ऐसे रोल नहीं कर सकते हैं, you can just clench your teeth like this. Inhale, roll your tongue. Inhale, swallow the saliva. Exhale with your nose. This is 1 round. 5 rounds करिए. Inhale with your tongue, swallow, exhale with your nose. शीतली करेंगे, cooling pranayama. आपका हो जाए तो जहां पे आप बैठे हैं, हो सके तो लाइट्स को डिम कर लीजिए और शवासना में लेट जाइए. dim the lights if possible and Shavasana में लेट जाइए. Now you'll just be concentrating on the instructions. लेट जाइए. Lie down in Shavasana. Body loose. Palms open. Facing the sky. Relax, calm down. Inhale and exhale with your nose. Normal breathing. Just show me a thumbs up if I'm audible. Am I audible? Okay. Relax, calm down, normalize your breathing. Palms open, facing the sky. Close your eyes. 3 times deep inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Moving on to your first chakra, that is Muladhara chakra, your root chakra, situated at the base of your spine. Let's awaken this chakra. The color of this chakra is red. Visualize the color red. Feel the sense of energy, stability, and comfort. Relax. Normal breathing. Now move your breath towards the next chakra, that is Svadhisthana chakra, the sacral chakra, situated 2 fingers above the root chakra. Relax, calm down. Now visualize the color orange. Feel the sense of sensuality and pleasure. Now move your awareness to the next chakra, that is Manipura chakra, your solar plexus, situated behind your navel. Visualize the color yellow. Experience energy in the form of light radiating. Relax, calm down. Feel the sense of power and personality. Now move your senses slowly to the next chakra, that is Anahata chakra, heart chakra, situated in the spine, in the level of your heart. Visualize the color green, and the sense of acceptance and unconditional love. Inhale, exhale, normal breathing. Keep your mind calm. No negative thoughts, only positive thoughts. Move on your awareness to the next chakra, that is throat chakra, the Shuddhi chakra. Take your energy to the back of your neck, behind your throat. Let's intoxicate this chakra. Visualize the color blue. Feel the sense of powerful communication. Move your breath to the next chakra, that is the Anja chakra, situated behind your eyebrow, the chakra of wisdom. Relax, calm down, normal breathing. Feel the sense of powerful intuition and concentration. Last but not the least, take your awareness to the crown chakra, that is Sahasrara chakra, situated in your head. Visualize the color purple. Visualize a shining lotus with 1,000 petals, a fusion of consciousness with matter and energy. Relax, calm down, feel the energy flowing through your Sukshmana, through your spine. Feel the sense of knowledge, fulfillment, spirituality. Relax. Now slowly move your fingers, move your toes. Raise your hands up. Give a very positive stretch to your body. Palming, maximum palming. Once you have generated maximum heat, place your palms on your eyes, on your face. Now take the support of your side. Sit up. सुखासना में बैठ जाइए. sit down in any meditative posture. Let's end the session with a prayer. Lights को dim ही रखिए. Join your hands. Thumb touching the heart. Om Asto Ma Sadgamaya. Om Tamso Ma Jyotirgamaya. Om Yarko Ma Amritagamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you for joining. Anyone wants to ask anything?
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir,
Thanks, Sia, for the nice session.
मैम एक चीज
Thank you, ma'am.
is anyone saying something?
एक चीज पूछना था.
हाँ जी.
हम लोग जो वन लेग बेंड करके जो स्क्वाट पोजीशन में बैठे थे, वन लेग बेंड. अच्छा, उसका वन लेग बेंड करके जो थे, उसका जो हाथ, उसका हाथ का पोस्चर कैसा रहेगा?
आप, मैं दिखाऊं आपको? एक मिनट. हम बैठे थे चेयर पोज में. हम लोग ऐसे चेयर पोज में बैठे थे. आपको अपना जो फोर आर्म है उसको लॉक करना है अपनी थाई पे. एंड यू हैव टू ट्विस्ट. इट इज चेयर पोज ट्विस्ट.
और ये बैंड वाला, ये जो बैंड किए थे वो वाला कैसे?
चेयर पोज. इट इज चेयर पोज.
He
एक्चुअली
is asking for Garudasan.
ओ गरुडासन. ओ इट इज गरुडासन. आप उसका पोस्चर, आप उसके हैंड्स पूछ रहे हैं?
हाँ, वो कैसे?
ओके. या ऐसा है कि आपको यू जस्ट हैव टू ट्विस्ट योर लेग एंड सिट. जो हाथ आगे है, आपका जो पैर ऊपर है वो हाथ आगे जाता है. जो पैर अंदर है वो हाथ उसके अंदर से जाके आपको नमस्कार मुद्रा बनाना है. ओके. क्लियर?
थैंक यू.
ओके.
Thank you, ma'am.
ओके. थैंक यू सर.
Thank you, ma'am.
सर.
Thank you, ma'am.
ओके. थैंक यू.
Sir is not there.
He's not there. He's left. I think we should end the meeting then. Okay. Thank you so much for joining.